Upgraded my front porch by adding additional privacy and giving it a designer look for only $12.99. It's been about 3 years since the first time I did this to my windows, and I have to tell you, I'm actually really impressed with the way that it stayed. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a fresh upgrade by even adding on top of the old spray, because the cool thing about this spray is that the more you add, the more mirror-like finish you'll get. All you have to do is spray light and thin coats from side to side and let it dry in between 1 minute before the next one. 5 coats typically does the trick. I even applied it to my windows on the porch. I know I didn't tape off the edges, but I'm actually going to be doing a project with those windows later, so that didn't really matter. Here's the view from the inside, and then take a look what it looks like from the outside. Check that out. Look how great that mirror looks. And it's only spray paint. Little details can do a big deal for your home. Want some more? Follow me for more on Anastasio's Aspect, a guy's point of view of sumptuously rich decor on a budget you can afford.